There we go. Okay. Now, edit this. This should be day 7 or day 8. And it's been for 2 days because of Christmas. In the end. There we go. All right. There we go. Finally. I was trying to put it to YouTube, but it wouldn't let me. So. All right, now we're gonna code. We're gonna code. Okay. Database to upload image. Image data. Update. Okay, we're up to date. This should be CD client. Don't really need client up right now. CD client. CD client -4. Actually, I want client up because then it puts me on the right port. Go run dot. Nope, we're not. CDs. CD server. There we go. Parse form going. Ugh, my nose is disgusting. Put it on the back. Okay, so we have this. So I don't need to do this. I need to. Actually, I'll keep that here. It'll just comment this out. Go here. I'm guessing it's just saying we're trying to move it down to 10 megabytes if it's above 20. Say enable parse data %v /n do error and then http.status bad. Oh, error F. I guess I just can't do that. So. Oh, I need the writer. That's right. And then we're just gonna return out of this. And then we're gonna defer. That's later. So we're gonna do file handler error equals r.form file. That's what we're gonna do. What's the key inform data? What's the key inform data? I think it's image underscore data. No, it's image src, right? Create animal. Let's see. Handle create animal. Image underscore src. Oh, this is what I want to do. Upload it. What if I just like, you know, where to do that, and then right now, I just don't call it. And then I work on something else. That sounds like a really good idea. I don't feel like working on this. I'll come back to the images. Let's see. I think I should start adding. I'll design the sign up stuff today. Open Figma. Alright, I need a new frame, which is gonna be desktop size. Put it up here. It's gonna be, actually I'll put it over here. So I'll have 3. So this will be sign up with Google, sign up with GitHub, sign up with website to wireframe design. Let's later. Okay, so do I want it in the middle? I guess I could do like boxes in the middle, and then like here I could do like username. I'll do like username or button, a button, and then down here. So this is username, password to log in. Then we have a button. I don't want that one. Can I change the radius? I'm gonna do that, and then no. Okay. Well, this is supposed to be a circle. That's okay. Oh, cancel. Control copy. Control copy. Control V. Not down there though. And Control V. Okay. So and then. Okay, this thing, this app. It's definitely an app. Elements. I want to group you. I want to align you to the top. And then supposed to be sign username, password. Oh, I don't want it to be like that. Password. Okay. This will be SSO1. This will be SSO2. This will be SSO 3. And then, oh, I guess these should be pulled down a little bit. Right around there. We need one more button that says, wait, I want a button below. I guess I have the button above. Where's my, hello? Why can I add anything? SSO 01. There we go. But like, why can't I add anything anymore? Really? Why did it only those? This app is stupid. Button. SSO1. I'll just like shorten this a little bit. There we go. And then like right there, we'll have sign in button, sign in, or we're gonna have like button, create account, and then we'll have like text that says, like right here we'll have, or I guess I'll do it up here where it goes, or no, and line it center. But I do want these below. I want these like right here and this one. All right, I'll be right back. Wow, my stomach. Okay, I need one more thing that that I'm not on full screen, am I? No. I need to make it so like there's another thing that says or become an organization. But I just don't know how to make that look even, you know what I mean? So I guess we'll do this for now and then later on we can switch up. So I want take this out, you to the left. Take me, you're on the right. Whoever made this. Surely you're that's crazy. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, it's okay. So we're gonna do sign up page. So we're gonna have a let's try that wide, and then we're gonna do I think like a border radius of 10. And then for now I'm just gonna make it like a darker color like that, like I have now. On this in the middle, around the center, and then I want to go one more. Actually I want to get all the text on first. So we'll do username, but we're gonna bump up that font size to about 32, I think. Or let's do 24. Or 32 is fine. I want it to be thin or extra light. Line on the inside, put in the center. I do think I want it to be capitalized though. How does that look? I think that looks better. And what if we do this instead? What if we make it transparent? Or like what if we just make it no opacity, but then we add stroke outline and give this like a little darkness, bump this up to 2, give it a little bit more gray, turn this to like here. I want this one to be a little bit more gray because that's just a little too dark for my liking. Like that. This needs to be a little bit more gray too then, because it's just a little too bold like that. Okay. We're gonna. It's a work in progress. We're just testing things out. Okay, and then, what if we try a little light instead? And we have this fit all the way to the full width. And then, I guess we don't need to fit the whole entire width, so I can still select from behind. But I would like it in the center, so let's take directly to the center. Text or button folder. And then I would like to give this a shadow. Let's see. Plugins, beautiful shadows. Development, new plugin, manage plugins. There we go. Oh, there's a wireframe thing right here. Oh, that's AI. No. I don't like using AI that much because like half the time you use it and then it gives you a product that you don't know anything about. Like you don't know how it was like made, so it's harder to understand. And so by the time you actually understand it, you're like, I could have just made something the exact same, but I could have spent that time making something I liked instead. Like that's why I don't know. Unless you're just asking a question, I don't like it when it makes shit for you. But I guess sometimes it can be good, and then you just have to move stuff around. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it's hard to tell the AI how you want something to show up, unless you use very descriptive words. It doesn't look that strong though. I don't really see it. I don't see any backlight. Like, what if I do this? What's the opacity in this? There is none. Why does this work? Did this plugin get broken? I'll apply it, but I don't really see it. Is it snowy? No. Weird. I'll just get rid of it then. That's a shame. Group that together. Find username button. Username button. And then I want to make this component. And assets. Created in this file. Username button. Password. How far? Let me fix this out. 32. I want to like do 16 or 18. No, multiples of 8. That's like too far though. So what if I do 24? That looks good, I think. And then I wanted the sign in button. This needs to be like standing out from these. This needs to be different. And then I'll just put a placeholder here for now. I just want it to be the same width, I think. Right there. And then I'll just say sign in. And then I want, here, I'll pull this up though. Right about there. And then I'll do here, or and then I'll do I'll style this then I guess real quick. Border, we're gonna give it 10 again. I do like the right corners more. We just up a tad bit. How far is this way? 42. 8 times 7. That's okay. How far is this away from this though? I want this to be like, how do you need it? 41. I'll do this like 42 too. No, that doesn't. This needs to be 36 then. And then this might be 42. And then this one could be 42. Or should this one be 48? I think that looks good, but I'm just gonna make this light instead, or extra light. And make it purple. I think I'm gonna do extra light instead of thin, and then so I can just make it more gray. And then okay, let me open up chat so I can see if it stops it. Alright, and then I would like to finish this first. So I want it to be similar. So I want this to be like a lighter color like this. But I kind of want it to stick out. What if I do like a light gradient? Or like on hover, I could do a gradient. So, C on hover, add gradient. Okay, and then I feel like there's way too much white space. I think I'm gonna add something. Like I might add like some droopy drops. Like that'd be cool. I just don't think that's suit though. But maybe I'll do like an artwork of an animal like playing or something. I guess I don't know. Let's see. I mean, for now, this is good because I'm just gonna make them do the exact same thing. So I'll just group these together and make them into a component. So how far is this away from this? I don't want to. I want to be closer because it's like um, activating 24. Create account. Yeah, I think it needs to be closer. And this should be 24. I think it was just too spread out before. But then this just doesn't show like hierarchy, right? Because these should be close. Sign in should be closer to this than the or. So should I make this like 32? But I feel like the or should be closer to this. And I can like make this. I think it'll look better for now. And then I'll just make the buttons right here for now. Alright. I'll just go 50 pixels big. I'm just gonna do circles. I guess I can make them a little bit bigger. I'll do 60. That looks kind of good. And then I'll do like 1, 3. And then I want to move them over so they're centered. And then this would be like Google. This would be GitHub. Because most people, I think most people that are gonna come to this website with GitHub. Why should I do GitHub? I guess I could do like Google, Twitter, and then I don't know really what the other one is that people use. I guess Facebook. I could do Facebook. I don't know. I'll look at the options. Hey, I have my retainer installed right now. I think I just need to bring this entire thing up though a little bit. I put it right this end of the page, and I could do this right here, like sign in, and then make this bold. I like it, but like this more. No. But I do want a switch. I would like this font to be like a scum sound or a script or what is. I want it to be a serif. Fuck, I can't speak. Honestly, kind of cool. Like I don't think it suits the project, but this is actually really cool. I can definitely see this for like a typing game. Or just like a mafia game. Why can't I sort by like serif or sans? That's like too fancy. That's like, I don't know, it's not fancy, it's just like too like old white woman core. I don't really care about the font right now. I just want something that like shows that the I is an I, not an L. I'm gonna do that shadow one for now. Let's see, where was it? Is this one? We'll do that for now. I'm not gonna keep it, but it looks cool. I want to get the logos. Let's see. Can I do the logos? Plugins. Is it? I think this is like, yeah, this is like this kind of icon. That's not the one I'm looking for. Plugins. Color scale, mono icons. Let's look up logos. Manage plugins. Logo. Better logos, better brand logos, vector versions of product. Almost 213 users. So. Run, it off. Order this one. And then this one go here. And then I want a new one. I like this one's pretty cool. What is it? What was it called though? Run mass plugin. Control P. Okay. And then I want GitHub. That's ginormous. And Control Alt P. And then what's gonna be the last one? I guess I can do Facebook for now. I'll just do Facebook and I'll do placeholder, and then I can change it in the future. But just to get something down for right now. I like this blue more than the other ones. So what is it? Let's do this one. Let's just do them 60 by 60. Oh yeah, that's the position. Why is that blocked off right there? Oh, it's to snap onto this. I see. I think this should be like there we go. Should these be a little smaller too? Or yeah, these look a little big. Let's make them 45 by 55. And then I want to pull them up a little bit. This is 16. I guess that's good. Ooh, I was gonna take my retainer out. Sorry to take out. My tooth is like in a weird place. Like, oh man. And like, you're there, buddy. Okay. So I have this. What should this like default style be though? Because this color is just so ugly. Okay. I'll just give it like this for now. I'll make him like dark. Make this light. I think. No, I don't like that. Looks too like against the rest of the stuff. And then this would be like whoa, I like that. I'm not gonna lie. Do I like that? I kind of. I add another stroke for it though. It's kind of fucked up. No, yeah, I do like the one though more. That is pretty cool. I think just because I had this right. Oh, why is it doing that though? It's weird. Huh. I have no idea why it's doing that. Yeah, I'll compute when I go to work. I'm gonna go to the gym when you get back, so I'll just go take it in. I know, it's pretty good. There's definitely more stuff I can add, but for now it's pretty good. And then what we want is just duplicate this, pull it down, and then we're gonna sum up. And we get rid of these. Don't need any of those. Pull these all the way down. B. Find the center. There we go. And then pull this down a little bit too. This can be pulled down as well. One more. No, not that one. You. And then we'll go email. Oh, and then we need confirm password too. So there we go. Pull this down. One more. Oh, wait, no, wrong one. This thing. Okay. So this is 24. This is 24. This is 24. This is 24. I want to pull this up like there, pull this down. So this is like 48 away. And then I want to give these a little bit more space. I'm gonna go like 20. So 20, I need 3, so 8 more. That should be. I guess I can just go like this. And this wants to be 38, 42. Or I could do it like that. Let's try this. Duplicate this. And then instead of this, let's move this over here. This in the center. You right here. You right here. And you right here. And these are gonna come down a little bit. But it's 48. And this can come up, so it's like 60. I guess this could be like for the mobile, and this could be let's make a new frame, make it mobile. Like desktop. Where's this phone? Android, iPhone 16. Let's do like iPhone 16 right here. And this stuff can just be copied, put in here. Like this. Or sign up at the bottom. This stuff all the way. That there. And then this. And I guess it's a put out too. And then the logo at the top. Yeah, I guess. I don't know which one I like more though. Like this feels like more compact. But like it also just looks like these should be buttons and not text. These look like they're gonna be text. So I guess like possible. Alright, and then so using username, password, and then instead of sign up, it needs to be sign. Right. Create account. I really wish that this font would work with this application. Like I know it won't because it's an animal application. This just gives like text, but it'd be really cool. So I only need the SSO or whatever this shit. What is this? SSO login. Yeah. I'm making sure I wasn't being stupid. So that should only be on the sign in page because the people can just do that for there. There's gonna be like a logo, but I haven't figured out the logo, so I'm just not gonna put it in. I feel like the create account could be brought down a little bit on this one, but I just do like this one. I'll ask my friends later if they think. And then so yeah, this is what this page looks like. I think I should make a 404 page. This only needs 2 though, so like I'm gonna just drag this across so it's like out to the side. Actually put it like over here so it's off to the side. I want to group things together though. So main page org. So these together, but I want to put this one on top. I mean, first one should go on top. I like that more. And then card images should go over here. This one, I need that one for there. So this can go here. And then, I also need a button that says like sign in for organization. So set a comment, need button, say, sign up as organization. I guess I can do that here. Oh, I'll do this here. Try to text. 4. And then bring out one more of these. Sign up as. I guess like, I feel like I should have a button that says like, click here for organization. Because like organization, so the goal of the app is like, organizations are the only ones that can upload animals. And users are the only ones that can see animals. So, but I just don't know where I'd put that button. Like I know I could put it right here. Like how would I word it? Organizations here? No, that sounds stupid. Or organization. Create organization. Ooh, I could do or create organization. I'll do that. So, or. I don't like how it's that. And then we'll do this. And create organization. There we go. This just looks so long though. I guess instead of having this as a button, I just turn this into a button. Or instead of having this as a button, I turn it into a button. Create organization. And then we'll put this in like a fancy one. This is gonna turn into like into a regular. And then but I just want the font size to be like 32 is fine, I guess. But we'll do it in like blue for now. To just demonstrate that you can't click on it, and then we'll just give it an outline. And I just want to give it to an under, like a stroke below. Well, I don't want to give that a stroke. I wanted to give it a. Yeah, just do it. But I want it to be the same color, but a little darker. I don't think I'm gonna keep it blue. Just like we have an organization, come join us, you know what I'm saying? So I want this to be like 16. There we go. So now it like breaks it up. Because before it was just too monotonous, like it's two same thing. It needed some differentiation. There we go. So this is the sign up. But then I need like a sign up organization. And I think the sign up organization is gonna be like this because you need more details. So what do we need for a sign up organization? Let's see. Let's go here. Let's go to my let's go to my obsidian. Make this obsidian entire dang. Close down the center. I'll leave the junior pen test open. Actually, Pokefine is over here, so we'll just do here. Design idea. Ideas. And then we'll do organize. And so should has org name, org email, org site, org number, there needs to be a way for me to like prove that an organization exists. And like, sure, I could go check it individually, but that feels like so. Like this is mainly target the United States, right? So maybe is how to check. I mean, I guess I just have to trust that it's a business, because like, yeah, I just have to trust. Org site, org number, org email. Or email, org site, org number. Phone. Password. 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 And then I want 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 6? I guess 6 would work. 3, 2, 2, 2. Or 3, 3. Is there anything else I would need for an organization? Org name, org site, org phone number, org email, I think that's it, to be honest. I'm just gonna drag this over here. We can make it smaller. This on the right. Then so what I'll do, I'm not gonna have I mean, I guess organizations aren't gonna be able to sign up with SSO because they have more details they have to fill out. I mean, I guess no, they could. For now, I'm not going to, but later on in the future, I could allow that. I'm gonna do it like this though, because I want this one. So I'll just take this and put it org. Organization sign up. I'll do organization, and then wait, no, not like that, like that. There we go. Sign up organization. I'm like figuring out this is good. It doesn't look good, but it's like create an organization. How about that? Create org. So name, email, password, confirm password, but then I need, I'll just duplicate this row and then pull it down. And then what was it? Site URL, and then phone. I want email and phone number to be on the same line. So I'll put this here. I guess I gotta change this. Email. Phone. Something. Wait, no. Site URL. It's missing something, but I don't know what it's missing. I think it's missing the fact that these look like buttons and it needs placeholder text instead of just saying the username, password, email. That's what it's missing, I think. Like, what if I just put like this and then put this on top of what's been... Why is this not part of this? Okay. Should I put this here too? So like put it in both spots just to like, oh, if you didn't see it, you can do it again. then there's gonna be like a logo up here. Yeah. Should I do like this? www. www. I guess you don't need the www. HTTPS animals.org. I want this to be on the bottom though. No, I don't. I just want to pull it down. Animals. Zero dash zero zero dash zero. I don't know if I can like this though. Right now. Animals at gmail.com. I think I should add labels, but for now this is fine. And then create account, sign in. Let's see. So I got this stuff in. What other pages do I need now? I need a messaging page, but I don't really know if I want to do that right now. Look at these down. I can just like implement these. No, but I have to figure out how to do the router. I'll be right back. Alright. Hot vanilla salt routing. So it's up to date. Maybe. That's an option. What is up today? Let's see. Nope, that's good. I don't care. I swear I saw like this guy that said he was making one, but I guess it's just like, don't see it. I hate when people like you ask a question and then, especially on Reddit, like I know in person it's different because you're trying to be more friendly and you're like, oh, they're trying to give you your advice. But on Reddit, the person, I don't know, maybe I just don't. Most people don't do their research before going to Reddit, but I feel like most people who are gonna ask a question on Reddit have already done preliminary research. And so what they're gonna ask, and you tell them some obvious answer, like just use the thing that they're trying not to use. It's kind of like redundant. But I mean, like I could be totally wrong, and it doesn't say anything about SvelteKit. Like, does it say anything about SvelteKit? I might just be like, image. Yeah, he says it's switching over to SvelteKit my only sensible option. So like he's done research. So saying just use what SvelteKit, why wouldn't you use SvelteKit? Is like, I don't know. Like you're just trying to share your ideas without actually giving any input. Like giving any reason behind them. Just a little annoying. I'll try. How does Ratify work though? Let's see. State management, preloads, 4 hours. npm minute, okay. Nope, that's npm install, so using beat. Without beat. Strip context. Import router from Boxify. Open an asphalt file, app asphalt, another file. Router, create router, export cons router, create router. Okay. But like, what's in this deal? Okay, so this is just installation. I see. What are you gonna say? I think I'll do Routify. Yeah, get the chills. How long have I been shooting for? Let's see. Yeah, I agree. Sorry, I didn't have thing open. It's just like, I don't know. I like it when people that I guess I said everything I wanted to say about it. But I since Svelte 5 is so new, there's like barely any documentation, or not documentation, but like the questions I want to ask are all answered in Svelte 4. So it's like, where do I go to ask the questions? Oh shit. No. Windows control team. There we go. So I had like a tab open the other day that was showing me for my that I was gonna use this for this GitHub repo for a Svelte router, but then I kind of forgot what the GitHub repo was because I closed that tab. So whoopsies. Okay, I'm gonna work on because I want to. This is gonna be I haven't touched this part of the app in a while, right? And I don't need the server up. I do need a CD into client. Okay. Ratify latest. I'm self-taught. I learned through the Odin project and then boot dev, but most of it came from the Odin project. I just did boot dev after I finished Odin project because I thought it would teach me more about backend stuff, which it did, but it's hard to like tell which class taught me the most, because I don't remember where I was X amount of months ago, you know what I mean? Is this gonna delete everything? Help. Select template. What is this? Yeah, I know. I had one interview. That's good for you though. That's awesome. I had one interview. Well, it wasn't even an interview. It was like a preliminary thing, and when it was for React, because I've like mainly used React, and I tried Svelte for this project. But it was like I knew every question, but so the way this thing worked was, if you don't understand one question, you can't move on until you get that question correct. So I couldn't skip the question, but it was how do you write to a JSON file, or yeah, how do you write to a JSON file in React? And then it wanted me to like add users, and I was like, I don't know, I don't ever write to a JSON file in React. I just send it to my backend. So I never really had to like write, which is like I should probably know that, but I'm still like, why can't I just skip this and go to the next question so you see if I know how to do the other stuff? So I finally took like a local offer for it's not like a coding job, but it's to do with coding, just to get a little bit more experience. But I bet that bootcamp looks a lot nicer than self-taught on a resume. Hope that interview goes good for you though. Yeah, I think I applied to like 50 places before I just was like, I'm just getting more experience around, or it's probably more like 100. And then as soon as I applied, I got like 30 rejection emails, and I was like, damn. I was like, sorry to inform you. Like, I'm gonna try again. Yeah, I feel like the worst part about it is just up to the interview, and then once you're in the interview, at least for me, it's just like, it's natural. But I feel like going to an interview, especially when I'm like, do I think know what I'm talking about, is crazy. Or it's like a little scary. And I'm like, is it for, do you know if it's like a big company or if it's like a smaller local company? So I think when I apply, I'm gonna go for more like smaller, non-leak code heavy companies. Unless I'm going for a backend role, because I understand leak code for backend. But okay, nice. Are you doing like a backend role, or what kind of role did you apply for? Oh, it can be anything. I'm gonna try. Hopefully it just doesn't break my shit. I'm gonna commit this real quick. Okay, and then wait, ISD and npm install that. Wait, why did it use next? Oh, I see. Okay. So you're doing the it's like the personality interview, and then you have to do the technical interview if you pass that. I thought it was normally the other way around. Hopefully you don't have to go through like 7 stages of interviews, because I know I've heard a lot about that. It's like when you get to the 7th stage of the interview, and then they're like, sorry, we regret to inform you. Like, that sounds like a nightmare. Do I do late is that at next? Oh, I npm init. Oh, I see. Okay. Next. I see. That makes more sense. This. I'm gonna keep that. Oh, I see. I've been trying to take my dog on walks lately. He's like 3 years old, and we got him during COVID, so he was like really bad about like being social. So the past couple days I've been taking him on walks, and he's crazy outside. He's gotten better, but like he tries to like jump onto a car. I'm like, dude, stop. You're just gonna get hit. Let me see my package.json. I have like one that's like I think 15 or 16, and then she like can barely walk anymore though. Once she can walk, she just slips everywhere. Where's my JSON? And then I need my reconfig. What language was your boot camp in? Or did I have multiple languages? Like, was it PHP? So I've seen like a lot of these. Laravel. Oh, okay. I get object oriented and like functional programming mixed up all the time. Oh, I see. Okay. That's kind of how mine was. I bet, yeah. Mine was like that, but with more focus. Like, as soon as I finished it, they revamped the program. And then they actually, because before they went with MongoDB, and then after I finished it, they switched to Postgres, I think. And so they revamped their entire backend part of the course. I was like, damn, I missed that at the perfect time. But I get object-oriented programming and functional programming mixed up, because I prefer like the functional programming side where you put everything into a function and call it later. Because like for the apps that I make, it makes the most sense to me. And the classes part of things, just like I'm like I know the classes would work, but I'm like, why wouldn't I just use the function? But I think I just don't know it enough. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. And I feel like it's just like the more projects that you show, and the more like commitment, I guess, to software development that you show. They're like, oh, they'll learn fastest, or they already have some backup knowledge, so they understand the ideas. We just need to teach them a new technology. But I've only used classes in C or like C#, sorry, for Unity. Like I think I've only used classes like 2 times in JavaScript. So I probably need to like make a project and work on that. Cause yeah, I suck at this. I've just never used classes and stuff. Or I've used it in Python, but I just haven't used it in JavaScript. Ooh, can you share what the nonprofit is? Cause that's actually kind of cool. Is it like a local one? Cause right now I'm making a, it's not a nonprofit cause I haven't like worked with anyone. I'm just at the beginning stages, but it's like, I don't like saying it like this, but this is where the idea came from. It's like a dating app, but like instead of people, you're like swiping through to look for foster dogs or foster animals to rescue and like take in. What I'm trying to do is so, like only organizations can upload the animals. So that's why I have organizations and client for users and client organizations. I've been trying to like reach out to local like places to get more experience, but I just haven't really gotten any replies. And I'm not sure, like, you know, what to do, or like what places to reach out to. I'm like, I don't know, I guess cold. Oh, so I guess we're in a similar boat, but you're actually like more out there working with them. Wow, that's actually really cool. There's this animal shelter near me, so I should probably like hit them up or like text them or message them and ask them if they're doing anything, if they need help with anything like technology wise or like development side wise. Cause I don't know if they do anything like that, because that actually that sounds really cool. I had the idea because I got sick. I had the idea because I got sick and missed it. Yeah, that's actually really cool. Do you mean like the routes like to look for animals, or the routes on the server? I assume you mean the routes on the server, but I don't want to be confused. I guess I'm not, like, I have to be... Oh, okay, I see. That's what I thought. Okay. That makes sense. They have that. That's... Interesting. Yeah, I'll have to look more into that, because I feel like the nonprofits, like, they feel the best to do because you feel like you're making a difference. And then they also, I feel like, look the best because it's like, oh, they're actually doing something in the community. I could just be making that up and people don't care, but I feel like it's better than just going to a restaurant and being like, hey, I can make a website for you. Or, hey, do you need help with your website? Because there's a gym I go to and I was like, your website looks terrible. And then I like cold emailed them and then I just never got a response. I was like, maybe I should just go in and talk to them. But I'm just like, it feels like a douchebag move to do. It's just, hi, I know you like got a website before, but it kind of looks bad. Can I do a new one for you? Like, obvious I'd say it better, but I feel like that's like the gist of what it would be like. But maybe that's just how business works. I'm just too iffy on it. Do for this. npm install. Okay, then I need to do plugins. I have the proxy. Oh wow. I never, because I used to live in Arizona, but like where I live, there's no, like, at least I didn't know of, there was like no cats. But as soon as I moved to where I live right now, there's like cats everywhere. Okay, yeah, I was in Tucson. It's awful. The page that I run, they had this yeah, let me show you. I'll like try and actually Paint won't do it because I can't do it. But it was like they had like I guess I'll just try and Paint. They had like their header section, right? Like so this is the regular web page. Up here was like their headers where they have the splashback, like splash chart in the background. And then they had like sign up, whatever setup. And then down here, it scrolled down for like all the way past here. Like you could scroll down all the way down here, and it was just this white div that said "come back later" error, or like issue with coming into the gym lately. Don't come. It was like this far down. It was like half the web page, and like this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. And then like half their links just don't work. I'm like, nice. Yeah, I feel like most of the non-private pages are terrible. Well, not, yeah. And I'm like, the design for their website was done by this local like design company, and I'm like, oh, maybe they've gotten better since then, because I think this gym has been around for a while. I guess we all gotta start somewhere. WordPress seems annoying to learn. Yeah, but there's so many like local or like companies, just like, yeah, small companies that just use WordPress, and it's like, if I want to do that, then I have to learn it, right? So, I mean, you can't just like remake the entire thing. I feel like that would just take too much time. Okay, it's probably something she knows though, right? So she doesn't want to have to relearn a whole new thing on top of running the business or the location, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, if I make something, like they have WordPress, or I could just like make a new thing, and then like, but it would be so much easier. I guess it's easier if they want someone in the future to update it to use WordPress instead of having to learn your entire code. Oh, I'll look at it. You don't have to worry about that. It's just like a default Nightbot thing. Oh. Yeah, you're good. I know. It shows up. This button. Yeah. That's funny. Here, I'll show you. Let me see. Okay, it looks like they've changed it a little bit, but like the it's not as bad as that one, but like, yeah, like this is the only decent part, is like this part right here, and then as soon as you go down, it's like, oh my, oh my, it's like 4 different fonts, 4 different styles of fonts. Like you have italic, you have like 4 different weights. It's interesting. So yeah, I asked them if they needed, I mean, I guess I should just go in person and ask them if they're looking to like upgrade their website. It's even worse on phone, because on phone it's like the exact same, but it's just like you have to scroll for like 5 minutes to get past all this. At least the cats are cute on this. I'll have to look at the one around me and see if they need any help with it. How did you reach out to them? Or did they reach out to you? Yeah, good point. There's this one page, let's see if I can get it. It was this page, and like if you move like this, it just messes up, and I was like, oh, someone did like div absolute. Oh, okay, I see. And then did you just, it's been playing everywhere and then something to do? Okay. That makes sense. I would do that to that place, but that place is so far. It's like 30-minute drive. I mean, I guess not that bad. I could go there like once a week and it's like, hey, do you guys need help? Because I think that's like the closest place to me, that, because everywhere else is like vets, and I'd rather do the ones that actually need help instead of the ones that hire people to do stuff. I don't know, like content.
Me too. I have one. He's a ragdoll, but he sheds so much and it makes me sneeze all the time. Did you just move to that area? Or have you been there for a little while? Proxy server, 45 plugins. Spotify. Oh, I need to. I uploaded a ton of new fixes to WordPress, but you can't see. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I made like for the image carousel, I did. Oh, because I guess on WordPress you can't like code it yourself. That's right. You have to like do extensions, right? Wait, let me open the site again. Let me open my Twitch. I need to go to. There we go. Yeah. This is such an old Amazon thing. I've never seen this wishlist thing. Or is someone just custom made this? Holy. That's crazy. And then he just says good search, good search, good shop, good shop. That's funny. Oh, okay. I see. That sounds really annoying. Interesting. Is it like outdated too? I think that make a donation with me. Oh, did they? Oh, I see. But they made it so you can't. Let's see. That's all I changed. I was just thinking. Oh, okay. Where does this take you? Does it take oh, separate API? Oh, okay. Nice. Did they just like when they send it to you, did they not make the white at the bottom? I get rid of the white at the background, I guess. The one at the bottom, I mean. Oh, I see. Okay. This one. Okay, this one's cute. I like that one. Sounds good. And I've been my girlfriend's friends have like they're like all artists, and I'm like, damn, I wish I could do that. And then whenever I draw, I just get annoyed, and I'm like, why does it not look good? I don't want to do this anymore. The blue just isn't satisfying. Like, I get what it's going for, but it's just like I've been trying to get more into graphic design. It's like trying to like make my own site. Yeah, I feel like it can work as long as the text changes, but I don't feel like this text color is like, I don't know. This site feels like it's very like friendly mobile, right? Because it's everything centered down the middle, so it wouldn't be too hard to just go to a phone. I've never heard of that site. Font. I've been looking for font sites. I'm gonna steal that off of you. I've been looking for. I know there's like there's a couple sites where you can like see the sites in actual projects, but I've never like found a site to find fonts besides Google Fonts. Yeah, I think Google Fonts has like 30 fonts that are good, and then the rest are just like, let's make anything crazy and put it on here. Import routes. No, I don't want that. I need to do it with like config, maybe config. I didn't spell it right. Yep. I need to do a /feet plugin. There we go. Okay, and then do I have an app that's built? I do. Okay, I need to import routify router. Did your boot camp go over designing, or was it mainly just the coding aspects? Nope. And I want to import pump router routes. Oh, I need to import routes too. I see. Import routes from slash routify. Wait, I don't have this file. Oh, I did this right. I think this is if I, how do I, It's just, when you have a weekly project, you're limited in what you can do. Because you're still... Yeah. Oh, how long was the boot camp? Was it like 2 months or something, or 3 months? I don't know how the boot camps work. Is it like, do most of them work where you learn stuff and then you have a week to make projects, and then it's like assignments? It's 6 months part time, so it's last 3 days a week. Okay. Was it online or did you go in person? I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll be right back. It's harder than my math. It was 6 months. Did I mute myself? Nope, I'm good. Even though it was part-time, it was pretty intense. It was super fast-paced. Oh, okay. Did they like rush through the topics, or did they actually like teach you topics? Because I know some of them just like, all right, here, I'll show you this, but no questions. Let's go to the next thing, which, you know, interesting. Answers with live and you disrupt. You missed more than like. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Were they like, were they the full day classes, or were they like 2 hours or something? I need that .ratify file, but I don't have that. Because I didn't in it. Oh, okay. I guess to let people who are working work through it, right? Yeah. Six months, right? So yeah. Every week, 3 major group project. Okay. I feel like I guess like the ones I did were structured similar to that. It was just like less. We show you what to do. We're just not going to help you, besides the Discord, and you just have to figure out everything on your own. Besides X amount of things, like it'll introduce topics, but if you have questions or you want to learn anything, it's like, okay, figure it out yourself. I don't know if yours was like that. If it were like you could go to the instructors and ask them more questions or whatever. If you're not using Byte, how do I get this file? Oh. Okay. Because I know in the Odin project I don't think I really learned much until I got to React. Like I learned much, but like I don't feel like felt like I was doing anything until I got to React, because that's when it like was like, oh, I'm actually learning a bunch. Not because it was React, but because I was like, oh, I can actually see what I'm doing now instead of making an image carousel. I can actually like see code work in real time, which I'm glad why they did front end first before back end. Because when you're doing back end, it's like I did something, but like it's not going to show up. Like you can't see it, you just know it works. Or you have to test it. That's my worst part, is testing code. I suck at that. I need to get better at that. No, I don't have this Routify file. Let me do this. Wait, I don't want this one here. I want this one in the middle. Okay, there we go. This is what like what where's that? Okay. Ah, I like that font. I did this. I know this font isn't good, especially for animals, but I just like it so much. Like it looks so cool. It like looks so like typewriter-y. I like that one. I like that gradient though. It feels very like butterfly Halloween-y. Like a mix between the two. Oh, did it not use a framework? I guess you said it did use React. Or are you trying to build it without a framework? Nice. What's the app supposed to be? Okay. I was gonna do that for a product and I was like, or I could just learn Svelte. I'll learn Svelte. I need to do that for more projects though, so I like get familiar with raw JavaScript. Like I know how to make the apps, it's just the frameworks are so convenient that I don't want to like use them as a crutch. Oh, okay, that's right. It's for the locations for the cats. I see. That makes sense. I thought you meant a side project outside of that. Okay. So they're supposed to be cat ears, right? I'm making hard right now, but I know that I want to make an interlocation yourself and add me. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, so that's why you're making a side project. Okay, everything makes sense now. That's what you mean by the routes, and then you're making this for that. Okay, I see. I gotcha. Makes sense now. Does the place know that you're doing it, or are you just doing it and then once it's done you're gonna like be like, hey, I did this by the way? Or are you like telling them, hey, I'm making something? Is it okay if we like integrate it? Or like if they want to use it once it's done? Foundation. I don't understand. In Ratify files. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Is it just like a small group of people that work there, or is it like mainly the old lady and you? Perhaps a default budget, but like, what's the default budget? Yes. Yeah, here, let me see if I can change Nightbot. Let me open it. I think I have it. I did it like 2 years ago. At the chat. Settings, commands. There we go. Okay. Wait, can you post a link real quick? See if it works. Okay, awesome. I just had to turn that off. Oh, now I gotta redo this. This one here, and then... That should screenshot the initial map mark. Okay. I see. And then special cat. And then are you just gonna add all the cats? Oh, and then do you want to add the image carousel too here? So that it shows each cat that's normally around? Or is that not what the cat images are for? What map? Are you using a map API? Oh, you said you're using the maps API, that's right. Okay. Now it makes sense. I see. Okay. Are you gonna show each cat on this pop-up marker? Or are you just gonna say, but there's 5 cats there? I like your VS Code theme. I have to switch my VS Code theme like every day because I'm like, I don't feel like this one anymore. I want to do another one. I don't want to make a new router though. I want to see. Like, I guess I have to make a new router maybe. Oh, and then I call it like that. Huh. And I add it to add your so. Router. Oh, I see. That's cool. I got started this one like 2 weeks ago. I started it with like, it was gonna be like a Pokemon app where you could like, it was so I was at like Target and I was like, I'm gonna make a dating app where like you just throw Pokeballs at people and try and match with them. And I was like, wait, why don't I just do this for animals? And then it makes more sense because it's Pokemon. And I feel like it'd have like a bigger difference than just another dating app. That's cool. Does that right now? Can you like go to each different marker and then open it and it shows you different cats? Or have you? It's just like an outline for right now. No worries. It looks good. It's got all the bare things on it you need. As long as it like shows what's going on. Mine doesn't look the best. I always go for this like the style on everything. This is my default style. Okay. Nice. The Maps API just always messes with my head. I'm like, how do you do this? I just need to look, because like I wanted to make an app where it's like camping, like camp spots around you, or like different hotspots around you if you're like traveling, I guess. Get familiar with the API. Can't think. Add a show example. Home and yeah, earlier I have issues with images too, because like I made it in here. Let me, and then so I did this app. It was with Node.js as the backend, and so it worked with pictures. It takes a minute to load because so this one works with images. Like you can upload in images and then it goes to the Cloudinary. But this was using Node.js as the backend, so like I was a lot more familiar with that. But I switched to Go for this app, and so I'm having like a hell of a time trying to figure out how to upload images through Go and like get it from the front end. And so I was like, I'm just gonna take a break and design the sign-on page, because this is driving me crazy. I'm like, oh. So now I'm banging my head against the wall for this one. Helpers. because it wants me to use the Gratify or like the init. They don't have a search button. What's it called? Routes. I don't have it. Yeah. That's good. Have you been coding a lot since you finished the boot camp? Is npm in Yarn? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, exactly. I'm like, what? It's so weird. You go to college or boot camp, and then there's like no guarantee that you get a job after, which doesn't make any sense. I feel like that's the whole point of going to the school for that. Okay. Okay. Oh, you took a C++ and a Python course in between. I see. I want to learn C++ because I want to like get into Arduino stuff, and they use C++ for that. But I'm like, I don't want to spread myself thin learning so many new things. But I guess it's just like, it looks fun. I did C# and I don't mind C# for Unity, but like using it as .NET as a backend was like, it felt very weird. But I also didn't really know it that well. So I was like, I'm just gonna try C++ because there's more things that I want to do with C++ instead. Putting a private WordPress page and just trying to, yeah, I'm trying to network with more people. I mean, it's so hard though. They have a couple meetup groups in my city, but every time they have a meetup group, it's like 8 a.m. or it's while I'm working. Was it a plugin into was it a plugin for Final Fantasy, or did it just do it on the side? That's funny. I got to like, I remember when I played Final Fantasy, I just played I just leveled up the professions the entire time. But I played the MMO one. What's that? Is that one like 14? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about it one of the RPG games? Okay. That's what I thought. I didn't know if you missed the like V or whatever. Did they have a remake for that one yet, or no? So I know they're like remaking every one of those. I see. Okay. That's cool. I don't get this. What is this for? Export const router. Let's create router. But I don't have a Rockstar default. Is that default? Is it a helper? I've only played the MMO for Final Fantasy. I never got into the... It's so hard for me to play RPGs because like, I'd rather just watch them, because then I don't have to spend like 20 hours of my time playing the game, and I can just watch someone do it in 2 hours. Which I know like I don't get all the story out of it, but I don't know. I'm like, I should just read instead. Yeah. I think like 90% of jobs come from networking, which is annoying to think about. So I'm like, lately I've been trying to get better at talking to people, but it's like so bad. But I'm like, every time I go out, I'm like pushing myself to say like at least one thing to a stranger, like try and get myself more sociable. Exactly. And like they say go to meetups, but then if I go to a meetup, I'm gonna be like the only one there that's probably new, which like I'm okay with. But it's just like, what the hell do I talk about? I feel like everyone that's that's funny. What game did you guys meet in? Because I know like I haven't really talked to anyone in games since Fortnite, or not Fortnite, sorry, Valorant. So I stopped playing Valorant like a year ago, and I like ever since then I haven't like talked to people in games besides my friends. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's like a big private server, like you can talk to other people. Those stories are so silly. Like I like them. The ones where like, oh, we met online and then we live together now. I like those ones. Is active, but I don't want the is active. I want the this is for the 1.0. Should I just set up the routes then? Slash blog, but like that's the route. Are you new to Arizona? I know you said that you moved like a year ago. One second, I got a call. How do you like it? Sorry, mom called. I went to Phoenix like all the time when I lived there. Like not all the time. Like the first 2 years I went there a lot, but then after that I stopped going it as much. I don't understand. Did you move there for your boyfriend, or did you guys live together before and then wanted to move? Does he not like California, or is it just the prices? Why would you move? Besides, other than the prices, why? I mean, Arizona is expensive now too. Why would you leave the ocean? Oh, okay. I see. Damn. It feels so weird, like leave the ocean. I can't imagine going back to Arizona once I'm like, especially California, because you have the mountains and the ocean. So I'm in Florida, and Florida's just boring because all you have is the ocean. I'm like, it would be so much nicer. I went to the furthest I went was LA. I didn't really go to San Francisco. That's where my girlfriend's from. It says import Routify, but I don't see Routify. Import routes from .dot. It does look sad. No one surfs up near me because I'm like northern part of Florida, but whenever I went down to like Miami area, there's so many people surfing. I'm like, I want to learn how to do it, but I'm like, what if a shark eats me? I'm not really worried about that, but like the board's like $400 and I don't live next to the water. Or like I live next to the water, but I don't live next to like where it gets good swells. Yeah. You have to like go to the tip of Florida to get to the good waves. Or I guess like during the hurricanes it gets pretty good. I don't remember. I think I only went to the beaches a couple times in California, but I never went in the water because I did that scenic drive from like San Jose to LA. It's like all along the coast. I think it's from San Jose to LA, like LA area. I think maybe I could be talking out of my ass. Yeah, that one. I did that when I was like 9 or something with my family. My mom was like, "Do you guys want to go the long way, or do you want to, or like, do you want to go the pretty way, or do you want to go the short way?" And I didn't realize how long the long way was because that thing is long as hell. But it was pretty. I went to Disneyland. I went to Disneyland once, and it was for my 6th grade field trip. Because we went from Tucson to LA, and then came back like 2 days later. Am I supposed to create this? So I'm gonna make a new file called routes. A new folder. That's next to what the hell is that city called? Is it the one between Tucson and Phoenix? I forgot what it's called. It's only been 2 years and I already forgot. What is it called? Arizona. Oh, it's that north one because I know there's one like around here. It's not Marana. It's next to Picacho. I think. There's like it's over here somewhere. I never went to it, but I always drove past it. It's not Picacho. It's not Casa. Is it Casa Grande? I think it's over here somewhere. I don't know. But I know I'm like 90% sure there's one over here. And I know that you can like stop and pet some like llamas right here. That's such an interesting spot to have llamas and stuff. I don't know if I went to the one in Flagstaff. I just went to Flagstaff to Arizona. Have you been to Arizona? That place is pretty cool. Really? I never went to that part then. I missed out. I'll have to go back soon because my friend still lives here and I need to go. I'm gonna go visit him soon, I think. That's funny. Like, so what if it's fake? I doubt it would be. I mean, unless like, I don't know. Unless it's just a tourist trap, but it feels like a very long shot, especially to do on native land. But that is like the area where the, because I read a book and that was like, that is the, because like the glaciers or whatever, that's where the dinosaur bones are all at. Isn't that like northeast or northwest part? Interesting. I never saw the dinosaur stuff part of it. Of Arizona. I just know the thing where it was like underwater a couple million years ago. Interesting. The but like the footprints are still like you can still see them, huh? What is it called? I'll look up Navajo dinosaur. I guess dinosaur tracks. Oh, cool. Is this the one? Is this even in Arizona? Yeah, it is. Oh. I know there's a... I don't know if I ever went here. Did you go to like the Grand Canyon and then stopped up here when you went? Oh, okay. You just said that as soon as I asked. That's funny. The crater, dinosaur prints. Ooh. You did a big old circle. Or a big old... Have you been up there since then? Or have you only gone to the Grand Canyon once? I think I went there like 2 times. I was gonna hike it, but that never went through. Where's Flagstaff compared to this? Oh, right there. I see. That one's not so far. Oh, I see. Nice. I know there's a Oh, and then I went to Flagstaff for the college one time. That's it. Nice. There's a there's like on the other side of the damn state, but down here there's where's that? It's like it's an astrology tower, like a it's an astrology tower. You can see it from Tucson if you look south, or maybe no, it's this way. It's Kit Peak, and it has a big old observation. It's like what they got dinosaurs and space in Arizona. I don't know if I've been to that one. It sounds very familiar though. Because I think the last time I went to California, I was like way too young. But it sounds like... Oh, okay, that's like the... okay, that's why I know it. It's the GTA one. Okay, we have different ideas of it. Mine's the GTA one, yours is the... movie. Huh. That one's so pretty. It's like so... It looks so very like... Italian Roman. But it's just in LA. It's funny. Alright, I think I'm gonna end stream soon. I need to go to the gym before work. And then I'll come back and do stuff. And then I might stream tonight. I'm not sure. I might just chill because I'm trying to build a hobby table. I'll show you real quick. I made it the other day. I made it last night. I need to get the stuff for it, but I'm trying to like put this in the corner of my room. I'm like, ooh. So I made that last night. This software is so weird to use, but got it done. Oh, okay. I thought your interview was closer. This stream is so laggy. But, alright. It was good talking to you. Thanks for stopping in. If you show up again, let me know how your interview went. The quality looks terrible right now. Oh my. Oh, I'm at 160p. Good luck on your interview. Bye-bye.